Hello and welcome. Today I will be sharing with you some of my empty products, which are products that I have used up or some products that I have decluttered from my collection. I'm going to be giving you my opinion on whether they work or not for me or if I will recommend them or not. I've decided to create a series on my channel, so this video will be part 2 and I will link the playlist and the other videos as I publish them on my channel. I decided to keep it just 10 items per video, that way it's not going to be too long, and if you have some extra time you can always go and reference the link for the playlist or additional videos if you want to watch more. Okay, next, this is another sample that I got out of a beauty box. It's a hair styler. If I don't remember much about this, probably didn't do much for my hair. The smell is good, but honestly, I don't think this was any different than any other hair styler that I've used. In the past, I've used Garnier, but these, I think it was okay. So I don't think it was that wow. Okay, this perfume, yeah, I used it up. I'm just trying to remember the smell. I think the perfume is right here. Let me see. Yes, I remember now the smell. I'm trying to see if I can get some of it. And yeah, it said it had sandalwood and blood orange. Yeah, I remember this one. I really like it. That's just because I love, oh yes, I love citrus. I love green tea scents. I like amber scents. I also like woody or sandalwood or citrusy. Like I said, this has orange and sandalwood, so I love it. It's nice. I mean, I have so many perfumes right now that I need to use up, and even samples. But this one, if you like those, if you like citrus or sandalwood, you probably would like this. But best is if, you know, and that would be my advice with any perfume. If you get a chance to just go and test it in person, because you never know. Every perfume could probably smell different on every and different person. So I personally love this one. Yeah, this is the Toka, and it has orange, lily, I have no idea what fresh it is, and sandalwood. Okay, this was another facial moisturizer out of coconut oil. This one kind of reminds me of the texture of the Jergens. I wasn't too impressed with it. It was okay. These were, I think, kind of sticky. Yeah, and yeah, these were hydrating. But I think nothing will replace just keeping a regular moisturizing routine. So these were okay, but I think you're better off applying your moisturizer, your eye moisturizer, day and night. Okay, this Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, the smell, it was nice. However, I don't think they did anything special for my hair. So yeah. Okay, this one from the Body Shop is called Drops of Youth. It was a really tiny. This was kind of like a serum, but I like it. Yeah, I remember using this and I like it. Again, the amount that I got was insignificant to me to see if, you know, if it had a long-term effect, but I like it. This Aveeno hydrating facial. Yeah, I tried this one too, but I think it was okay. I don't think it was nothing like wow. These argan oil, I got it out of a beauty box. It was, again, okay. Yeah, I don't think the smell or it was like out of this world. I think it was okay. Maybe I'm not too blown away by the hair products. We're getting there. All right, this is similar. It kind of looks similar, but it's not the same. Packaging looks similar. It has oranges, but it's not the same. This was another mask, and this one didn't have the foil like the other one. I think these masks are just okay. There was one mask that I really like, and unfortunately I only started saving my empty packaging recently, but it was one, I think, from the brand Lineage or something like that. That one was, I mean, oof, the smell and how it felt my skin, it was really good. This is okay, but it's, to me, it's not like wow. All right, this is the box of eyelash curler that I got last year during Ulta. I don't know if, I think it may have been the 21 days. I got it for half off, which to me was kind of, I don't know. I feel funny paying $10 for an eyelash curler, but I heard really good reviews about it, so I wanted to try it for myself, and I actually like it. I actually like it better than the old one that I had, that was a Revlon one. I don't feel like it like makes like a cut on the eyelash when you curl it. I think it makes it a very natural curl. So probably some of the bragging about this, you know, it's probably true, because I really like it. And these were my 10 items for this video. Remember, I will be linking the additional videos as I post them on my channel. They're going to be here in the description box below. I will include the playlist as well as the individual videos. And let me know what do you think. Have you used any of these products? Was your experience the same or different from mine? Would you recommend any of them? Just let me know here in the comments below and share your experience as well. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.